Hello guys, this is Dinesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to interact with Liqfinity testnet. So first, open the link and log in with your Google account. Just create account with Google. Click it. Okay. Then click Start Testnet. Once you did, you will automatically get the faucet. You don't need to claim it manually. So next, what you have to do is go to the Borrow section. Click Borrow. Okay, in this testnet, we are going to earn points through borrowing and providing liquidity. And okay, so we got the faucet. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to test all the products here. First, we're going to use borrow. So here you can see the available credits. So on the BTC, we have around 83,000 credit limit. So click borrow, click 25 percentage, click borrow, confirm the transaction. That's it, success, done. And then we are going to provide liquidity. Click the provide liquidity. So here click lock, check how much you have, like you have 20,000, 25 percentage. Click lock, confirm, done, success. So you have already borrowed BTC, and then we have already provided the liquidity. So these are all the methods. It will give you some points. Okay, you can check your points in leaderboards. So you can check after 24 hours. This is very simple, guys. You don't need to grind very hard. Just click borrow. Any asset you can borrow it. You can check the available credits all here. So first here 123 LTC. I'm clicking. Just click 25 percentage. Borrow it. Confirm it. Borrow as much as you can and repay the debt. I'm going to repay which I already have borrowed. Payback, click 50 percentage or else 25 percentage, repay and confirm. So the last transaction we did is still in processing. So give some time, like wait for 5 minutes, then retry it. It will work. That's it, guys. First borrow any assets and then click provide liquidity. Lock sum of your amount you have here. So I'm going to choose again 25 percentage, click lock, confirm the transaction, done. And then go to the my loans. Here you can see what are the loans you have already got from the borrow. Okay, so here you can check and then you need to pay it back. Try this future, like after you borrowed it, uh, just wait for 5 minutes and then try it. It will work. Okay, that's it, guys. Very simple task only. The points is based on how much you borrowed and how much you provided liquidity and referral points. You can refer your friends. Click the my referral section. You can refer your friends. Copy the link and share it with your friends so that you can get the referral bonus. Here you can see from the 10% of the referral pool, you earn a percentage based on tire. Okay, so that's it, guys. Very simple task. Don't miss this project. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.